Hi guys, in front of me is Xiaomi 12 Lite, and let me show you how to activate keyboard sounds. So at first, let's open the settings, go to sound and vibration then, and select additional settings. Here at the top of the list you will notice the iPad tones, so all you have to do is to click on the indicator to turn them on. As you can hear from now on, it is active. So then if you wish to mute it, it's working this way, so you cannot hear any digit. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.